Exercise 1 on our arms is standing EZ bicep curl. We want to put our hands in the wide position on the bar, head up, chest up. Want your core engaged so there's no swing in your back. If you're swinging, then decrease the weight. You want to keep tension in your biceps and squeeze at any point and control it on the way down. Exercise 2 in our arm workout is our tricep dips. Our bodyweight tricep dips, we want to keep our head up, chest up, pushing through your triceps, keeping your core engaged, making sure you're not coming too far down at the end position so your shoulders don't come into play.